Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website faster. A speedy website is crucial for keeping visitors engaged and improving your search engine visibility. Studies show that a delay of just 1 second can decrease customer satisfaction by 16%. We will explore practical steps to ensure your site loads quickly, providing a seamless experience for everyone. Let's dive into making your WordPress site perform at its very best. First, let's talk about caching and images. Caching stores frequently access data, allowing your site to load much faster for returning visitors. Implementing a robust caching solution can reduce server load by up to 80%. Additionally, optimizing your images is vital. Large image files are a common culprit for slow pages. Compress them and consider modern formats like WebP to save significant bandwidth and improve load times. Next, focus on your database and hosting. A cluttered database can slow down your site, so regular optimization is key. Aim to clean it at least once every 3 months. Your hosting provider also plays a huge role. Opt for one offering solid-state drives and ample resources. Furthermore, a content delivery network, or CDN, distributes your content globally, reducing latency for users worldwide and speeding up delivery by up to 50%. Finally, consider your theme, plugins, and ongoing maintenance. A heavy, poorly coded theme can drastically slow your site. Choose lightweight options and only install essential plugins. Keep everything updated to benefit from performance improvements and security patches. Regularly monitoring your site speed with tools like Google Page Speed Insights helps identify areas for continuous improvement, ensuring your WordPress site remains fast and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.